Hi there, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this next video is going to be demonstrating how to download and install Instagram as a web app on your Windows PC. Now the first process is to open up your browser and you want to visit the Instagram website, which is instagram.com. Once the website has loaded completely, you should see this icon to the right. Just click on it and then click on install. So just by the bottom right corner, you can see this prompt asking you to either pin the app to the taskbar or not. So you can just go ahead and pick the option that works best for you. So each and every time that you need to launch the app, you can come to your search right here and search for Instagram, and you should see the app right there. So all you have to do is just click on it, and you should have the app launched right on your Windows PC. So that's how to add Instagram to your Windows as an app. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video.